Significance and importance of second 10 days of Ramadan in the light of Quran, Sunnah, and Hadith. Let's delve deeper into the significance and importance of the second 10 days of Ramadan, incorporating additional aspects and enriching the discussion. 1. Heightened spiritual intensity. As the initial days of Ramadan pass, the second 10 days usher in a period of intensified spiritual focus. Muslims are encouraged to elevate their devotion, drawing closer to Allah through increased acts of worship such as prayer, recitation of the Quran, and supplication. The atmosphere of reflection and reverence becomes more pronounced as believers immerse themselves in seeking Allah's pleasure and mercy. 2. Seeking Laylat al-Qadr. While Laylat al-Qadr, the night of decree, is not confined to the second 10 days, the quest for this blessed night begins to intensify during this period. Muslims are urged to seek out the night of Laylat al-Qadr, which falls within the last 10 days of Ramadan, through heightened acts of worship, particularly during the odd nights. The profound significance of Laylat al-Qadr, during which the Quran was revealed, amplifies the spiritual aspirations of believers during this time. 3. Reflection on Quranic revelation. Although the Quran was revealed in its entirety during the month of Ramadan, the second 10 days provide a strategic juncture for Muslims to deepen their engagement with the Quranic teachings. Believers are encouraged not only to recite the Quran abundantly, but also to contemplate its verses, seeking profound insights and spiritual enlightenment. This period offers an opportunity for renewed connection with the divine message and a deeper understanding of its relevance in contemporary life. 4. Renewed commitment to fasting and self-discipline. Fasting during Ramadan entails more than abstaining from food and drink. It embodies a comprehensive practice of self-discipline and spiritual refinement. In the second 10 days, Muslims reaffirm their commitment to fasting by redoubling efforts to cultivate patience, restraint, and empathy. By exercising control over their physical desires and inclinations, believers aspire to transcend worldly distractions and attain higher levels of spiritual consciousness. Charity and compassion. Ramadan is a time of heightened generosity and compassion towards those in need. In the second 10 days, Muslims are reminded of the profound rewards of charity, sadaqah, and acts of kindness. By extending assistance to the less fortunate, whether through financial contributions, volunteering, or simple acts of benevolence, believers emulate the noble example of the Prophet Muhammad and embody the spirit of selflessness and solidarity. 6. Community and brotherhood sisterhood. The second 10 days of Ramadan also emphasize the importance of communal bonds and mutual support within the Muslim Ummah community. Muslims come together for iftars, breaking of the fast, and Taraweeh prayers, fostering a sense of unity, solidarity, and shared devotion. This period offers opportunities for strengthening familial ties, reconciliation, and collective spiritual growth, reinforcing the significance of the wider Muslim community as a source of strength and solidarity. In essence, the second 10 days of Ramadan represent a pivotal phase in the spiritual journey of believers, marked by increased devotion, reflection, and acts of righteousness. As Muslims strive to draw closer to Allah and embody the values of compassion, self-discipline, and community, they seek to imbue their lives with deeper meaning and purpose during this sacred month.